Learning the classical guitar is quite challenging, so developing good habits from the beginning is of the essence. Here are 5 habits you need to develop as a beginner classical guitarist. So the first habit is to get the right hand, or the left hand if you're left-handed, into a good playing position. And the ideal position is right above the bridge. I'd like to demonstrate it this way. Put your elbow on the side of the guitar, right above the bridge, and let your hand fall down to the strings. From here, you can adjust your position according to the length of your hand. The second habit is to anchor the thumb on the 6th string. This will give you more control when playing instead of attacking the strings from the air. The third habit is to alternate the fingers while plucking and avoiding repeating one finger too much. The neck of the classical guitar is wider than on an acoustic or electric guitars. If the thumb is too high up or hanging on the neck, it will restrict finger movement. So the fourth habit is to keep the thumb around the scepter at the back of the neck, opposing the middle finger. This will give the hand balance and it will be easier to reach different notes. So the fifth and the last habit for the beginner classical guitarist is pressing down on the string with the tip of the finger. When doing this, the finger needs to be arched. This will prevent it from blocking the string below. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.